No, RG is special. I first coached RG the first time of Ergio. Over here it's RG. Ergio, I first coached him when he was playing for SA Schools. And I think it was 2013 or maybe 2014 then. So I was fortunate enough to know him. It's almost now 10 years. And he was a special athlete back then. And a special person, you know, and he and Saskia, they are really good club people, you know. They embedded in the club, and then to talk about his skill level. I mean, RG is an enigma from a lock perspective. You don't see a lot of locks with the skill set that he have, and then he's just a down to earth person, you know. He's this giant of a man. But unbelievably creative, you know. I think he loves photography and he loves the creative side of life. So he's a very interesting individual.
And someone that Leinster are quite happy to take from Munster.
Yeah, that's a very sensitive point. But yeah, when obviously, yeah, he had a bad run with injuries with Munster, and I remember I announced that I'm going to join Leinster, and Lew Cullen said that, listen, RG is on the market, or RG is on the market. And I said, listen, Lew, just I've coached this, like I said now, I've coached him since he was 18 years old. And this guy's actually very robust. I can't think that in the time that I've coached him up to the 2019 World Cup, that RG ever not participated in a training session, you know. So he wasn't the injury prone guy. So yes, and maybe, so my advice was, I think he just had a bad spell. And sometimes players go through a period like that where they just can't get a string of games together. But it's not a trend. It wasn't a trend for me with him. Not the Ergio that I know from 2014. So yeah, he's been a great signing for us, you know, and he adds massive value to the squad, and he's a lekker club guy. He's a lekker club guy. He gets along with people, yeah.